In this video, we remove and reinstall the spoiler on the Porsche Cayenne. The spoiler is also sometimes called the wing. This is useful if you're upgrading your spoiler to a better one or trying to service anything under the spoiler. We cover the parts and tools necessary and show you how to reinstall it. Open the rear hatch glass window. If yours doesn't stay up, see this video where we replace all 4 gas struts so the hatch and glass window both stay open. On the top, now bottom, of the glass window, there are 3 plastic caps. Using a plastic pry tool, remove them. This reveals 3 T30 Torx bolts. We remove the 3 Torx bolts we located. They are T30s. On newer Cayennes, there are likely T20 Torx bolts on the bottom corners of the spoiler. Remove the rubber covers to find them. Remove the single Torx bolt at each corner. Remove the spoiler, aka wing, pivot it and slide it off. Something might fall down. That's deteriorated foam from the wiring. If you need to remove the spoiler base, for whatever reason, I haven't tried it, but it looks like it would involve removing these bolts and then popping out some electrical connectors, and it looks like it should unseat. I would do this and comment if there's more to it. For those watching, see the comments, somebody may have tried it and shared below. This connector gets seated back on here with foam so that it doesn't rattle. This foam disintegrates. Reinstall the spoiler by aligning the 2 clips at the back and pivoting it on and reseating it. The Torx bolt holes should align at the bottom. Reinstall the Torx bolts, replace the rubber covers on the Torx screws at the corners, and reinstall the plastic caps. Carefully tighten them up. Reinstall these plastic pins.